is frying hamburgers and hot dogs for the kids. And there's Lynn bending over.
Over here.
Annie! Annie! Say hi! Barry, say hi!
Way better! Take a picture!
Oh, there you go, Jay. Say hi, Josh.
Blow your
Oh, okay.
Hi, Jen.
Let's go find some.
Hello.
What was that, Rumble or
Jan.
wasn't that the one that...
Here you go, Jan.
Here you go. Here's hamburger.
How is it, Cor?
Smile at us.
A mug for
Why? That means you're supposed to smile back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Granny. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Say to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday to you.
Now you guys, Gigi. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Just wanted a good picture.
No.
Should I turn around?
Here I'll go.
That's your better side, isn't it?
Hi, Bear.
Can you get
How are you?
Larry? Can you get Megan? Here, take a picture of Megan. There you are.
Hi, Megan. Hi. Yes. Somebody we don't know.
Come here. Josh. Say hi to Jan. Say hi to Jan.
Hi, Megan.
Hi.
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 Go swimming. Don't leave your unders on. Go swimming. Bye now. Ooh, that's going to be fun. Go careful. Yeah, you leave them on. I wonder what I felt up here. No, you leave your unders on. She's going to love that. Why? 10 years from now.
Hi, Annie.
Are you going to say hi to...
You poked my eye.
I meant it.
What do you say there, Chuck? Any dirty jokes? Any dirty
No
jokes?
dirty jokes.
No dirty jokes to close with?
All partied out.
All partied out.
That's enough.